Build with BraPeter. Today, I was thinking about lawyers, not the big firms, the solo attorney, the one who left employment and opened a practice. Many people think lawyers sell legal knowledge. I don't think so. I think lawyers sell attention. The problem is that attention is limited. Every day, someone phones and asks, how much will it cost? How long will it take? What documents do I need? Can you help me with this matter? The lawyer answers. Then another person phones. The lawyer answers again. The knowledge already exists. The problem is that it lives inside one human being. What if the lawyer could put that knowledge into a system? Not to replace the lawyer, to protect the lawyer's attention. A simple AI assistant could answer common questions, explain processes, and collect information before the consultation. The lawyer still does the legal work. The system handles the repetition. Maybe the future of business is not about working harder. Maybe it is about deciding what should remain human and what should remain a system. I am BraPeter. Let's build.